Hello YouTube, this is a C# tutorial on how to create a message box display. So first you want to go to File, New Project. Once this loads, click on Windows Form Application, and under the name, type in any name you want. I'm just going to type in YouTube, and click OK. Take some time. So here's your form right here. This is where you're going to be doing all of your work. Well, mostly all of your work. If you want to resize it, all you have to do is pull on the corners, these corner dots. And I normally keep it around this size, about default size. And it's loading. Okay, here's your toolbox. This is where you can drag all of your buttons, check boxes, and such things like that. So click on the button and drag it over into your Form 1 and drop it. So all you'll need is a button, and you can resize it how you want. Okay, so in order to get the properties of the button, you need to right click the button and go down to Properties and click Properties. And here's all your properties. Okay, so you can change back color, which is the background. Okay, I'll change it to blue, and it changes to blue. And if you want to change what it says, like button 1, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and where text is, just type in whatever you want. So I put click me. Then in order to open up the code for it, you want to double click click me. Okay, so once this code has popped up, if you go back to here and click on this, right below the properties right here, it'll say button 1. That's the title of your button. So go back over to Form 1, and it says private void button 1 click, which means if you click this button in these brackets right here, whatever you put under these brackets will be displayed. So first you want to start out by typing in message, then this telesense helper thing will pop up, and you want to highlight Messagebox and click enter. So Messagebox will appear on your screen. Type in dot, then show, and click enter, and show will pop up. Then 2 parentheses, and then 2 quotation marks, and type in hello world, and end it with a semicolon. So whenever you click button 1, click this button, it will go down to these brackets and display this message box right here. So it will say hello world, and end it with a semicolon. So go up to the top and click on start debugging. Okay, here's your actual application itself. So it says click me, so you click it, and this box should appear. This is the message box, and whatever you typed in the message box has appeared. So just click OK, then exit that out to stop debugging. And if you want to add a title on your message box whenever you click the button, you can do it like this. Like if you want to have it a title right here, then you can go to your Form 1, go to the text right here, which this is also called a string, but space, comma, space, 2 quotation marks, then type in whatever you want. I'm going to put my title. Then that's it. And click Start Debugging. And click it. And it says My Title, which is what we put right here. Then Hello World, which is right here. So if you want a title, just comma, space, My Title, then end with a semicolon. Now, if you want to add a picture to your button, just go to the properties right here, and hold on, it's loading, and click on this button right here to browse your pictures. And you won't have any right here, but it says project resource file. So go to local resource and just choose whatever you want. So say this, the 8-ball. And you can have it like that. And you might want to get rid of the text because you can't really read it. But okay, so it's like this. And click debug. And here's your actual application. So you're going to click on this like normal, and the same message box will pop up. It just has a design or a picture you want there. Now stop debugging. Now if you want to change when you run the application, this right here, the main title, Form 1, click on the actual box itself and the properties will pop up on the side. So you want to go over to text and change it to my app location or whatever you want, and just click away and it will change it to it. So that's the end of this C# tutorial. Hope you guys learned and enjoyed. Thank you guys.